Let us discuss a very important geometrical idea, congruence. Let us do an activity to understand what congruence is. Take two coins of same denomination. Place one coin over the other. What do you observe? One coin covers the other completely and exactly. This means that the two coins are of the same shape and of the same size. Such objects are said to be congruent. The two coins used by you are congruent to one another. Congruent objects are exact copies of one another. Now, can you say if the following objects are congruent or not? 1. Shaving blades of the same company. 2. Sheets of the same letter pad. 3. Biscuits in the same packet. 4. Toys made out of the same mold. The relation of two objects being congruent is called congruence. Now let us discuss congruence of plane figures. Look at the two figures given here. Are they congruent? We can use the method of superposition. Take a trace copy of one of them and place it over the other. If the figures cover each other completely, they are congruent. In figure, if figure F1 is congruent to figure F2, we write F1 is congruent to F2. Now let us discuss congruence among line segments. When are two line segments congruent? Observe the two pairs of line segments given here in figure 1 and 2. Use the trace copy superposition method for the pair of line segments in figure 1. Copy CD and place it on AB. You find that CD covers AB with C on A and D on B. Hence, the line segments are congruent. We write AB is congruent to CD. Repeat this activity for the pair of line segments in figure 2. What do you find? They are not congruent. How do you know it? It is because the line segments do not coincide when placed one over the other. You should have by now noticed that the pair of line segments in figure 1 matched with each other because they are of same length, and this is not the case in figure 2. Thus we can say that if two line segments have the same length, they are congruent. Also, if two line segments are congruent, they have the same length. Now let us discuss congruence of angles. Congruent angles have the same angle in degrees. They don't have to point in the same direction. They don't have to be on similar sized lines. Just the same angle. Let us now discuss about congruence of triangles. Now look at the triangles NOP and RAY. Are they equal in all respects? Let us see. NO is equal to RA, OP is equal to AY, and PN is equal to YR. Now check the angles. Oh, these also equal. Remember congruence. Yes, the triangles are congruent. Now let us revise what congruence means and how we can relate it with our daily life. Congruence means equal in all respects, that is, shape, size, and other dimensions.